rocks and stuff, looks like.
This one too.
Easy.
Yeah.
Whew. Yum. Might find a surprise underneath your pop-up is. So make sure you're cleaning these. It's kind of rewarding. You're like waiting for it. Oh yeah, a lot of sand and stuff in there. Just give it a little twist, give it a little pull. We sell these pop-up head removal tools on aquapoolsupply.com as well. Looks like get yourself a pole and you can do it. Whoa. Oh, yeah. So they rotate, right? And that's how they flow like a full circle, clean the whole area. But how does it, you got to stop the flow of water, right? For it to like come down and then change a little bit?
Yeah, it's on sections.
Okay.
So like all this section will pop up.
Yeah.
And then come down, then that section will come up.
And it does a lot of these cycles to like do a complete circle?
Yeah.
Cool. There you have it. Pop-up heads 101. With a guy that knew nothing about pop-up heads too, don't worry. Different cycles make the jets go in circle. Cleans the entire area. Whole bottom of your pool, all your steps. Nice and clean. And look at how rewarding it is, just freaking popping them out of there. Almost sounds like a bottle of nice whiskey or something. Like a cork. Easy. All right, that's it. I'm Nick from aquapoolsupply.com. Pop-up heads today. You can do it too. Check you next time.